Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to change my WhatsApp profile name. So the very first thing to do is to open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, having a unique username is indeed a advantage, especially if you have tons of communities here or if you have tons of groups here in your WhatsApp. So to change this, you just have to click this three dots at the top right corner and then click settings. Now, once you tap settings, and then you will see these options such as account, privacy, avatar, chats, and notifications. So you just have to click your name at the top, and then as you can see here, here's your name. Well, to change your WhatsApp username or profile name, all you have to do is to click this pencil icon, enter a unique name, and I think you're only given 25 characters. And then after that, what you're going to do next is to click this save option or button below and then click check. And that's it. When you go back to your profile, you will see here that your profile name on WhatsApp has been changed. You can just disregard or ignore the message below your name here. And if you want to change your profile name again, simply tap this pencil icon and change it. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.